Alright guys, I'm going to take you through these examples. We're just going to set them up. I'm not going to actually solve them. I'm confident that you can do that on your own. So for example 1 in your notes packet, we need to define a variable, then write an equation to represent the given situation. And that's basically going to be your directions for every word problem that we do. So we have here, Luke swims 2 fewer laps than Mary. If both added 7 laps to their daily swim, the sum of their laps would be 3 times as many as Mary now swims. As you approach these word problems, let's break it down. What are the main things we're talking about here? The main things we're talking about is Luke and Mary. So I would jot that down. Luke and Mary. And now let's start to label. It says Luke swims 2 fewer laps than Mary. So I would say that I would call Mary's laps M, and Luke would be M minus 2. So our variable would represent the number of laps Mary swims. Okay, so now we just have to keep reading. If both added 7 to their laps, okay, so we're going to take each of them and think about a plus 7 to each one. The sum, here's one of those key words, the sum. So we're going to add them together of their laps. So the sum of their laps, M minus 2 plus the 7. We're going to sum that with M plus 7 would be, there's your equal sign, 3 times as many laps as Mary now swims. Well, we know the number of laps that Mary swims is M. 3 times would be multiplication. 3 times M. Again, I have full confidence that you can solve these. I just want to run you through the setup process.